Look at my lunch. Shells. It's yum. It's just a little bit chili though, but it really tastes good. These shells in Siargao, Philippines. Very yummy. It's a little bit chewy, but really tastes good. It's young. It's a little chewy. Makain ba to? Naglipan mo. Dinner for tonight came from a seashells. So huge. Kinilaw. We just preserve it with vinegar and calamansi or a lemon with chili and ginger. How much does it cost? Sarap, sarap. Hi, look at it. It's RR It's rich in iodine. If you have a problem with your goiter, this is what you need. Yum.
And look at this papaya, fresh and sweet.
We're in Siargao, Philippines.
Look at our morning view.
Yeah. Oh, different kind of seashells. This is a fish market here in Bohol, where you could eat some sea urchins, a lot of shells, or any kinds of fish that you could want, and you could have it in here. So there's a kamote queue and banana queue and balut. And look at that turun. That's a live sea urchin. And whatever you want. There's some supu, puset, and a small tuna.
Okay. How about the small tuna, sir?
tuna.
Yeah, only 100 each. We cook already.
Look at that clam and puset. See, you could buy some hall, and you could see the market area in the middle of the sandbar. You could buy some coconut, anything you want, fish or sea urchins, everything. Sea urchin. This is a sea urchin, and look at it. That's what you're gonna eat inside. It's yum. This This is galunggong.
Galonggong.
Some liver and a gizzard. There's some chicken intestine and a chicken feet. There we go. It's a chicken intestine. Yeah. Tastes good. It's a chicken intestine. Yeah. Tastes good. It's a chicken intestine and some pork barbecue.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Some kamsawi, sir.
Okay, and it's 100 pesos per kilo. I bought the
Apelyido ko, sir. Sibelia.
Sevilla. I bought the
Sevilla.
scallop. I'm here in Bantayan Island. You have to buy and look for Brian.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
bye,
you.
sir.
Bye-bye. Sevilla. Smash cook. And so 100 pesos per kilo. Per kilo. This one kilo for 100 pesos yun. Batangan. Oh, that's two pieces man. More than here. The one that I do with yourself.